Stand, and then he flew up on a pole and he was sitting on the pole. I was like, what the fuck? The thing's huge.
Mm-hmm.
I bet she gets all the snakes and shit over there. That's why you don't see very
So cool. This is where some of it's coming from too, over here. Yeah, right here. Hi. Look at that. That is just wow. Huh. I mean, I'm just trying to show some of what is going on. I tried to get some of it before. Oh, look at the moon right there too. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And then there's something up here. Right here. Right there. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Yeah. Hey, they're beautiful. My goodness. What a show this guy put on tonight. Why? What is that? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Huh? getting cooler by the minute. Yes. Wow. It's like coming from all sides. Look at this. My goodness. It's really interesting, that thing right there. That's really interesting right there. These are all coming over from over there. Look at that. It's like lit up from behind. Let's see if I can get you. Yep. Huh. Keep your eyes peeled, guys. This looks like it's about to get fun. Yes, it does.